Hey there, Andy Petoskey here. Just wanted to shoot a quick video today and share my daily gratitude. I haven't done this in a while and need to get back into the habit of really identifying, a few things every day that I'm grateful for. Because there's actually a lot of things that I'm grateful for, and I don't want to take anything for granted. So tonight, it is Monday, August 18, 2014. And again, I'm so blessed. But there's a couple of things I want to highlight today that I'm grateful for. One is I am grateful for our praise team band at church. We had a practice tonight, and you know what? Sometimes it can seem kind of inconvenient to have practice on a Monday night. But you know what? Every time after practice, I always leave church just feeling awesome, just feeling rejuvenated and revived, and just so glad that I'm a part of this worship team, because it's just so gratifying, and I love being a part of it. So we had practice tonight. I'm excited for our worship service on Sunday, and just excited to be a part of that. So I'm grateful to be a part of that. And number two, I am grateful for the rain that we had last night. It has been so extremely dry here. My yard is like turning brown in spots, and the rain last night was just music to my ears. It was awesome. Awesome to hear, and awesome to see this morning that the ground was wet. I'm also very grateful for the neighborhood that we live in. My youngest daughter has two great little friends that are neighbors that she can play with on a regular basis, and that's just been a blessing for her this summer to have these two the nicest little girls that live next door to us. So Michelle, thank you for sharing your girls with us, and for letting Kendall come into your guys' life and be a part of that too. So I could go on and on, but those are the three things I'm grateful for today. I'm going to try to start doing this on a daily basis, just sharing the things that I'm grateful for, because there are so many. So Andy Petoskey here. Have a grateful day, and remember, if you keep a gratitude journal, write down your top 10 daily, top 10 things that you're grateful for every day, or top 5 or top 3, and just identify those. Don't take anything for granted. Have a great day. See you on the next video.